Alright guys, so sorry. Let me get this set all back up again. Alright, I'm just logging in. Sorry about that. You know how mommy life can be. Okay, let's see. I'm just logging back in real quick. Thank you. Thank you for coming back. I'm so sorry. All right. Hi, sister. Yeah, part one of this was awful, sister. Just awful. Because of your nephew. Alright, I'm going to put this over here. Okay, so to recap what we did. Shadow box from Hobby Lobby. White copy paper. And then on top of that is some acetate that has white words on it. And we took the heart from the Build a Valentine transfer and put the hearts on there. This is going to be the back part. Okay. So now, next step in this. Hi, Cullybug. Hi, baby. Okay, so I'm using the I Love You a Bushel and a Peck. This is the next step in this. Okay, so I'm going to use just the word love. That's all I'm using. And I'm going to put that on the actual glass part of the shadow box. I need to push these down. The little doohickeys. Push those down so we'll have a flat surface. And I'm still going to use the red. We're going to see how this works. I am just going to use the one word. So, I'm just going to peel this back and lay this part down. And I think what I'm going to do is kind of scoop this where I need it. Okay. And I just want to center the word love. Just like that. And I'm just getting out any air bubbles. Okay. You guys can see that? If I didn't move the camera. Okay. Okay. So I am just going to take the red paste. Put that on there. Now, like I said earlier in the other one, the unique thing about this paste is it's not just for chalkboards. Even though it is chalk paste, it will go on any surface. So as you saw, we just did acetate. I am now doing glass. And it's super easy, super smooth on any surface. It will stick once it dries. It's good and stuck. You will not have a problem with it coming off unless you use warm water and wipe it off. And now I'm just taking off the excess. Now we're going to peel it up. Oh, so cool. So cool. Now, trick's going to be wiping off the transfer when I go to clean it. I'll just run it under some water. So, I'm just going to lay that there for right now. Cute. Okay, so the next thing is I bought these scatters and fillers from the Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to actually put that on the inside. That's what I'm going to fill up the shadow box with. I'm going to close this real quick. Turn this over. And I'm just going to fill that up. And then I'm just going to take the backing. Oh, I got to push up those things again. And then I'm taking the backing, putting it in there. And because I taped down that and I just used regular old tape, not any kind of adhesive, I will be able to reuse this. Cute! Oh my gosh! Hold on, let me... What do you think? Oh, I think it looks super cute. Cute little shadow box for Valentine's. Yes! That was super simple, even though it took me 2 videos. Oh, thanks, sister. It was really easy, guys. All I did was cut up the paper behind there, and you saw me chalk it up, fill it, and once Valentine's is over, come on, camera, I'll be able to wipe this off and reuse it. Super cute, super fast, super fun. All right, that's it, guys. That is a Valentine's project. I am going to decorate this or use this as decoration in my house. I'm gonna probably do a video of that here soon, but that is my project. So again, that was using Build a Valentine transfer, I Love You a Bushel and a Peck transfer, and red Chalkology paste. I will post the link to my website where you can purchase any of these goodies to make this. Once again, if you guys could share, that would be awesome. Give me some thumbs up when you're watching the replay of this. Share, thumbs up. If anyone's watching this, again, like I said in the first video, I do have a VIP Chalkers group where you get to see these videos, and I give you tips and tricks and run specials. So if anyone is interested in joining my VIP group, just comment me. And also, if anyone is interested in becoming a Chalk Couture designer and joining my team, go ahead and leave a comment down below saying join, and I will get a hold of you and talk to you. Also get you into the opportunity call group, which is awesome. I love that group so very much. They will answer all questions that you have, kind of breaking it down, letting you know, what to expect and what's best for you if you just want to be a designer and use the 40% off just to play and decorate and, kind of just do this as a hobby and decorate your house. You can do that, or if you want to use this as a business. All the info is there. It's amazing. The ladies are wonderful. So yeah. All right, guys, I'm going to jump off here, and I will see you on the next live with my next project. Bye.